Hello guys, this is Chaos Hunter here, and now I'm gonna show you how to make an automatic arrow machine. Well, you place here stone blocks, and then you destroy these. Then you put a redstone here, and the dispenser right here. Then once you have finished the step, you put redstone torches here, and a lever here. As you can see, it glows. The final step is our arrows, to put arrows in the dispenser. Put arrows here, and see the magic happens. Turn on, and as you can see, it throws arrows, many arrows automatically. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos for Minecraft. Thank you for watching. Peace.